I'm so excited to share one of my all-time favorites, Nero Fondente, a super rich dark chocolate sorbet that always sold out in our shops. The recipe is simple with a few key steps, so watch through to the end for important tips. This recipe uses 3 types of chocolate, 85% dark, 100% pure, and cacao powder, not cocoa powder. The cacao deepens the color, intensifies the flavor, and gives the sorbet its rich finish. If you'd like to try this as a gelato instead, you'll find my recipe in The Art of Making Gelato available on Amazon. Have your sorbet syrup ready before you begin. I have 2 versions available on my channel. You'll find the full Nero Fondente recipe in the description below. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more gelato and sorbet recipes. Let's get started. Be sure to strain your chocolate base. This keeps the sorbet smooth and silky. Adding the chocolate halfway through heating can help reduce grittiness, but straining is still the best way to achieve the smoothest texture. Once done, cool the base for 1 to 4 hours to thicken and develop the flavor. Pour the chocolate sorbet base into your ice cream or gelato machine and churn for 30 to 35 minutes or until it thickens. Be careful not to overchurn it. Once finished, let it harden in your freezer for 1 to 2 hours, but not much longer, to keep the perfect texture. Rich but light with a deep, dark chocolate flavor, this sorbet is perfectly balanced and will quickly become your new favorite. It's the recipe straight from our gelato shop, and even at home, you'll get professional results if you follow the steps carefully. Serve it with our gelato shop whipped cream, cacao nibs, or shaved chocolate, or simply enjoy it as is. It's amazing on its own. A few quick but important tips. Do not skimp on ingredients. Use real cacao powder, not cocoa, which you can find online or in specialty grocery stores, and make sure to include the 100% chocolate. These 2 are essential for achieving the rich, authentic, Nero Fondente flavor you'll find in Italy. If you'd like to experiment, you can swap the 85% chocolate for 70% or 60%, but never skip the cacao powder or the 100% chocolate. This sorbet is packed with solid ingredients and water, a combination that makes it prone to freezing very hard. That's why it's important not to overchurn it and not to let it harden too long in your freezer. I always recommend enjoying gelato and sorbet the same day you make them because home freezers run so much colder than gelato shop freezers. Think about it. Your freezer at home is likely around 0 degrees Fahrenheit, while Nero Fondente should be served closer to 9 to 12 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a big difference. If you can't eat it fresh, follow my tips for serving gelato and sorbet at the right temperature. You'll find a video linked in the description. If you leave the sorbet in your freezer overnight, let it soften in your refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours, even longer than recommended in my video. checking it so it doesn't melt, or leave it at room temperature and gently work it with a spatula until it's scoopable again. It may take a little extra effort if you plan to store this sorbet for more than a day, but serving it at the proper temperature is a must. The results are phenomenal, a true bliss for dark chocolate lovers. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Buon appetito! No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Visit my website for free and premium resources, full recipes, gelato FAQs, and expert support. Thanks for watching.
Ooh, gelato!